Good day to you, ma'am, Mrs. Cherilyn Hala, ma'am. So in this video, I'm going to memorize the Article 3 Bill of Rights in the 1987 Philippine Constitution. So let's start. Section 1. No person shall be deprived of life, liberty, or property without due process of law, nor shall any person shall be denied the equal protection of the laws. Section 2. The right of the people to be secured in their persons, houses, papers, and effects against unreasonable searches and seizures of whatever nature and for any purpose shall be inviolable. And no search warrant or warrant of arrest shall issue except upon probable cause to be determined personally by the judge after examination under oath of affirmation of the complainant and the witness he may produce, and particularly describing the place to be searched and the persons or things to be seized. Section 3. 1. The privacy of communication and correspondence shall be inviolable except upon lawful order of the court, or when public safety or order required otherwise as prescribed by law. Number 4. No law. Section 4. No law shall be passed abridging the freedom of speech, of expression, or of the press, or the right of the people peaceably to assemble and petition the government for redress of grievances. Section 5. No law shall be made respecting an establishment of religion or prohibiting the free exercise thereof, the free exercise and enjoyment of religious profession and worship without um discrimination or preference shall forever be allowed. Section 6. Liberty of abode and of changing the same within the limits prescribed by law shall not be impaired except upon lawful order of the court. Section 7. The right of the people to information on matters of public concern shall be recognized. Access pertaining to official acts, transactions, or decisions, as well as to government research data used as basis for policy development, shall be afforded by the citizens, subject to such limitation as may be provided by law. Section 8. The right of the people, including those employed in the public and private sectors, to form unions, associations, or societies for purposes not contrary to law shall not be abridged. Section 9. Private property shall not be taken for public use without just without just uh, without just compensation. Section 9 ay Section 10, no law impairing the of uh, obligation of contract contract contractual contract shall be passed. Section 11, free access to the courts and quasi-judicial bodies and adequate legal assistance shall not be denied to any person by reason of poverty. Section 12, any person under investigation for the commission of an offense shall have um, the right to be informed of his right to remain silent and to have competent and independent counsel, preferably of the own choice. If the person cannot afford the service of counsel, he must be provided with one. These rights cannot be waived except in writing and in the presence of counsel. Number 2, no torture, force, violence, threat, intimidation, or any other means which vitiate the free will shall be incommunicado or other similar forms of detention are prohibited. 3. Any confession or admission obtained in violation of this or sections within hereof shall be inadmissible in evidence. Section 13. Section 13. All person except Section 13. All persons except those charged with offenses punishable by reclusion perpetua when bailable by sufficient um, surety or be released on recognizance as may be provided by the law. Section 14. No person shall be held to answer for a criminal offense without due process of law. Section 15. The privilege of the right of habeas corpus shall not be suspended except in cases of invasion or rebellion when the public safety requires it. Section 16. All persons shall have the right to a speedy disposition of their cases before all judicial, quasi-judicial or administrative bodies. Section 17. No person shall be compelled to be a witness against himself. Section 18. No person shall be detained solely by reason of his political beliefs and aspirations. Section 19. Excessive fines shall not be imposed, nor cruel, degrading, or inhuman punishment inflicted, neither shall the death penalty be imposed, unless for compelling reasons involving heinous crimes. The Congress hereafter provides for it. Any death penalty already imposed shall be reduced to reclusion perpetua. Section 20. No person shall be imprisoned for debt or non-payment of a poll tax. Number number um number 21 ay section 21. No person shall be twice put in jeopardy of punishment for the same offense. If an act is punished by the law, an ordinance, conviction, or acquittal under either shall constitute a bar to another prosecution for the same act. Section 22, the last one. No ex post facto law or bill of attainder shall be enacted. So, that would be all. Thank you.